Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Arfiansyah, number 16, and then there are Dhiaulhaq, number 10, Rengga Kusuma, number 23, and Hanifan Dzikri, number 28. In this video, we will show you how to do the penalties of Jorginho. We are choosing Jorginho's penalties because his penalties is really cool, calm, and collected. He also has a really high penalty goal percentage.
My name is Rengga Kusuma, number 23. Before going into the step, you need to prepare the materials needed to begin your training. If you want to training futsal, these are the material. 1. Futsal pitch. 2. Futsal goals with the net. 3. A 4-sized ball. In the last, futsal boots. You can just change the sets to a football sets if you want to play in a bigger pitch.
Do not do this. This is the wrong example of taking penalties like Jorginho. My name is Dhiaulhaq and I will show you the right way of how to do a penalties like Jorginho. First of all, put the ball on the penalty spot. Second, take 4.5 steps backwards. And then, wait and listen until the referee blows the whistle. Fourth, take 2 steps to the side of your weak foot with a little jump. And then, start the run up with your strong foot. 6. Take 3 steps toward the ball and jump in the third steps like Jorginho does. And at the same time, when you jump, look at the goalkeeper to see if he is moving or not. 7. Decide where you're gonna kick the ball based on the keeper reaction. After that, kick the ball with confidence and composure. Last, do your celebration.
عشاق الليفر وهذا أندري مارينير تصفى في أوروبا يعدي دي بروين وكرة ستيرلينج رحيم ستيرلينج قلبه يعدي أملاه ممتازة سنيد شابرين جول كرة محمد صلاح قريب للليفر محمد صلاح لكن صالح يا صالح يدخل تحت الجزاء يا ليفربول جمهورك العالمي سر من اسرار حضورك يا زعيم الكرة يا ليفربول هات الصورة جول 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 جول.
My name is Hanifan Dzikri. The keys to master the Jorginho penalties is stay calm, evaluate the keeper, fast thinking, and the most important thing is practice. That's enough from us. Drop your opinion on the comment section below. Drop a like and subscribe if you don't mind. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.